The artificial intelligence experiment platform is integrated with software and hardware for school teaching. The platform includes industrial robots, smart vision system, face recognition and voice recognition kits. It could help students to learn Python programming, robot learning, teaching experiment, graphic programming, etc. The Smart Vision Kit can do dimension measurement, defect detection, character recognition, etc. The Voice Recognition Kit enables students to learn how process of voice recognition by themselves. For Face Recognition Kit could do face registration, feature code recording, face matching. The platform is also equipped with a screen touch function and a logic control unit. For robot part, it could be equipped with different brands and axes, according to the needs of the school. With the combination of robot and vision kit can realize the experiment of locating to do pick and place, object follow emotion. HCMIS-20 Artificial Intelligence Training Platform is an open-source platform. Different schools could do module changes per to their needs.